Tired of digging through endless emails and cluttered drawers to find that one crucial receipt? You're not alone. Expensify is a lifesaver for many, but how long does it actually hold onto your precious expense data? Let's dive in. Expensify, the popular expense management platform, simplifies the process of tracking and submitting expenses. But what happens to those receipts after you've uploaded them? Do they vanish into the digital ether, or are they securely stored for your records? Understanding Expensify's data retention policy is crucial for several reasons. Compliance. Many businesses and individuals need to comply with tax regulations and audit requirements, necessitating the preservation of financial records. Record keeping. Receipts provide vital information for expense reports, reimbursements, and personal budgeting. Data security. Knowing how long Expensify retains your data helps you understand the platform's security measures and how your sensitive information is handled. Expensify doesn't explicitly state a universal receipt retention period. Here's what we know. Account activity. Expensify retains account activity data, which likely includes information related to your expenses, for a certain period. This data is essential for maintaining account history, providing customer support, and ensuring the platform's smooth operation. Receipt images. Receipt images are generally stored for a significant duration. This is crucial for auditing. In case of discrepancies or audits, having access to original receipts is vital. Record keeping. Receipts may be required for tax purposes or personal financial records. Data deletion. Expensify likely adheres to data protection regulations like GDPR, which outlines guidelines for data retention and deletion. This means they may delete certain data types after a specific period unless there's a legitimate business need or legal obligation to retain them. Several factors can influence how long Expensify retains your data. Account type. The type of account you have, personal, business, enterprise, may impact data retention policies. Legal and regulatory requirements. Compliance with tax laws, financial regulations, and data protection laws will significantly influence how long Expensify needs to retain your data. Business needs. Expensify may need to retain data for operational purposes, such as fraud prevention, customer support, and product improvement. Tips for managing receipt data. Download receipts. Regularly download copies of your receipts for your own records. This ensures you have a local backup even if Expensify deletes the original files. Utilize Expensify's export features. Expensify often provides options to export your expense data in various formats, CSV, Excel. This allows you to maintain an independent record of your expenses. Review Expensify's privacy policy. Carefully review Expensify's privacy policy for the most up-to-date information on their data retention practices. While Expensify doesn't publicly disclose a specific receipt retention period, it's safe to assume they retain data for a significant duration to comply with legal and regulatory requirements and meet business needs. By understanding the factors that influence data retention and taking proactive steps to manage your data, you can ensure your expense records are safe and accessible when you need them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.